Okay, so greetings, sir, and welcome to our presentation of the BPMI 2.0 diagram. I am Charles Diginin Pianaria, together with Prince Dwayne Mahido and Kyle Charles Angeles, and representing the diagram of the LSPU enrollment process. So here, sa student, first is the student enrollment. Pag-fill up yung fill up enrollment form, then after nun, submit the form. Then after, yung form na yun is dediretso sa registrar's office. Sila yung magva-validate ng documents and information. Then after nun is mag-assign na sila ng insti email for enrolling students. Then after nun, babalik sa student and mag-aantay sila ng email confirmation. Then, after ma-confirm, magpo-proceed sa tatanungin sila if are you a freshman or not. If you're not a freshman, dediretso na agad sa medical. Then, if not, magpo-proceed ka sa waiting for entrance exam schedule. And yung pag-wait ng exam schedule, registrar's office din yung magpa-process. Assign exam schedule.
So, after mag-wait ni student ng entrance exam schedule, so, na-assign na ni registrar yung exam schedule. So, next, take naman si student ng entrance exam, and if failed siya, magpo-proceed siya dito sa bilog na field, and if pass, mag-wait siya ng interview schedule. But before that, yung registrar muna ay mag-a-assign ng interview schedule. So, after nun, mag-wait si student ng interview schedule. So, before that, na-assign na ni registrar yung interview schedule, i-forward niya naman yung students na i-interviewin ni Dean. So, dito naman sa Dean's office, Dean receive interviewee. So, ayun. Pakitaas po. So, yun. Attend ng interview si students. So, next, sa baba po sa Dean's office, i-interview ni Dean yung students. Tapos, next, i-evaluate niya yung performance po ng student. So, kung failed student, failed po siya. And kung pass, next step po.
Then, ibibigay ni Dean sa registrar yung mga nakapasang student. After nun, i-email ang mga student na mga nakapasa for schedule for applying medical. Then, i-check nyo sa list if you pass or fail. If fail ka naman, bagsak ka na talaga. If you pass, mag-apply ka sa medical. Then, wait for confirmation schedule. After ma-wait, i-assign schedule of the student, then pwede ka nang umattend sa class.
So, ayun lang po yung so that's for our BP what's that, Charles?
BPMI 2.0 diagram of LSPU enrollment process.
So, we look forward to revising what are the mistakes of our diagram, and that's all for today. Thank you very much.